Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am your Naveen Nayak. In today's prelim shorts, we are going to learn about sustainable development goals, and these goals are very important for UPSC and other exams. And in every year there will be one question from this topic, and it is very important to learn to score good marks in exam. And let's learn what is sustainable development goals and how many goals are there and how the India is approaching towards these goals. What is sustainable development goals? The sustainable development goals are collection of 17 goals, 17 global goals, and we have targets of 169, and it is set by the United Nations General Assembly in 2015 for the year 2030, and we have to achieve these goals by 2030. It's a UNGA, United Nations General Assembly Resolution 2013 agenda. The United Nations 2030 agenda for sustainable development was launched in 2015. The United Nations 2030 agenda sustainable development goals aim at eradicating poverty in all forms and seeks to realize the human rights of all and achieve gender equality. And let's see what are the goals we have to achieve by 2030. And you can see here, these are the 17 goals to transform our world. It is the United Nations General Assembly's goals. Let's see what are the goals. First goal is no poverty. Second goal is zero hunger. Third goal, good health and well-being. Fourth one is quality education. Fifth one is gender equality. Sixth one, clean water and sanitation. Seventh one is affordable and clean energy. Eighth one, decent work and economic growth. Ninth one, industry innovation and infrastructure. 10th one, reduce inequalities. 11th one, sustainable cities and communities. 12th one, responsible consumption and production. 13th one, climate action. 14th one, life below water. And 15th one, on land. 16th one, peace, justice and strong institutions. And 17th one is partnership for the goals. And these are the 17 goals we have to achieve by 2030, and it is very important to achieve these goals. And we can see here how detailedly I have presented. Goal 1, end poverty in all its forms everywhere. And second goal, zero hunger. Third goal, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Goal number 4, equality education. Goal number 5, achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Goal number 6, ensure access to water and sanitation for all. Goal number 7, ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy. Goal number 8, promote inclusive and sustainable economical growth, employment and decent work for all. Goal number 9, build resilient infrastructure, promote sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. And goal number 10, reduce inequality within and among countries. Goal number 11, make cities inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. Goal number 12, ensure sustainable consumption and reduction patterns. Goal number 13, take urgent actions to combat climate change and its impacts. Goal number 14, conserve and sustainable use the oceans, seas and marine resources. Goal number 15, sustainably manage forest, combat desertification, halt and reverse and land degradation, halt biodiversity loss. Goal number 16, promote just, peaceful and inclusive societies. Goal number 17, revitalize the Global Partnership for Sustainable Development, and these are the 17 goals. And let's see the Millennium Development Goals. These are the goals which was there before the Sustainable Development Goals, and Sustainable Development Goals replaced the Millennium Development Goals in 2016. The Millennium Development Goals were 8 international development goals for the year 2015, and these goals should be achieved by 2015, but India failed to achieve these goals, and we are trying to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. And Millennium Development Goals had been established following the Millennium Summit for the United Nations in 2000 at the United Nations headquarters in New York. And let's see what are the goals of Millennium Development. And see here in pic. First one is eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, and second goal, achieve universal primary education. Third goal is promote gender equality and empower women. Fourth goal is reduce climate mortality, and fifth goal, improve maternal health. Sixth goal, combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Seventh goal, ensure environment sustainability, and eighth goal is global partnership for development. In this eighth goal, we can see it is common for first Sustainable Development Goals number 14 and Millennium Development Goal 8. Here we can see the detail about in the pic and in this slide. How are Sustainable Development Goals different from Millennium Development Goals? The Sustainable Development Goals has 17 goals, and with 169 targets, are broader in scope and go further than the Millennium Development Goals by addressing the root causes of poverty and universal need for development that works for all peoples. The goals cover the 3 dimensions of sustainable development: economical growth, social inclusion and environment protection. Building on the success and momentum of Millennium Development Goals, the new goals cover more ground with ambitions to address inequalities, economical growth, decent jobs, cities and human settlements, industrialization, oceans, ecosystems, energy, climate change, sustainable consumption and production, peace and justice. And the goals are universal and apply to all countries, and we can see the sustainable and Millennium Development Goals, the targets are different, but they are applied to every country, whereas the Millennium Development Goals are intended for action in developing countries only. A core feature of Sustainable Development Goal is there: strong focus on means of implementation, the mobilization of finance, resources, capacity building and technology, as well as data and institutions. The new goals recognize that tackling climate change is essential for sustainable development and poverty eradication. And we can see Sustainable Development Goal number 13 aims to promote urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. And we see the government is taking various steps to achieve these goals, like renewable energy, solar alliance and other some of the things which government is taking to achieve these goals. And let's hope we may achieve, because government is taking good steps to achieve these goals. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.